Everything heavy when we step up. You can't hang with a gang, you a fellow. Yeah, everything check, 𝐏𝐤𝐝.
Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. In today's video, we'll be styling a wig from Omgherhair.com. And the wig that we'll be styling today is a wavy honey brown wig. And this is a full lace frontal wig in 24 inches. I got this in 150% density, so the fullness is everything. So I didn't experience any shedding with this hair. The hair already came curled, it already came pre-plucked, the knots already bleached on this wig. Like, pretty much everything is done for you. Like, look how effortless that lace is. So this is a glueless wig. It has straps on the inside so that it is adjustable, so you literally don't have to do much to install this wig. You just gotta cut off the excess lace and your wig is slayed, and I'm here to prove it to you. So we won't be doing the ball cap method because you already know I'm a lazy girl. I don't like to do that extra stuff. I'm not for it. So I'm gonna try to wear this wig like a glueless wig. So to do that, you gotta make sure that your wig is fitted. So I got a medium size cap wig, and I tightened the bands on the wig on the inside to make sure that it's snug on my head, you know, like make sure that it's well fitted. Now, how my hairline is set up, I don't have what you call a widow's peak, if that's what that thing is called at the front, where it's like coming more forward in the middle. Mine goes a little bit back. I mean, I'm not balding or nothing like that, but like, I got a big ass forehead and I love my big forehead. So I don't want the wig to minimize my forehead, because then I'm gonna feel weird, it's gonna look weird, and it's not gonna match the shape of my face. So don't be afraid to play with the lace a little bit to make sure that it goes with your natural hairline, because I mean, everybody's hairline is not the same poo. So you gotta customize that line to match your very own. You feel me? Or if you like that, you can go ahead, but I don't mind my big forehead, so I don't mind for it to show. So I'm just cutting off the excess lace, trying to see how everything lines up. I want to make sure that my edges don't show or peek out of the wig, because that happens sometimes because my edges on the side are a little bit low, close to my eyebrows. So you know, I gotta be mindful of that. So once I cut off the excess lace, I'm gonna like look at it, make sure that, you know, everything is aligned properly. So when I cut off the excess lace, I'm still not feeling the very front. Like, it's still feeling a little bit too low and it's making me feel uncomfortable. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like part off a little bit of the hair in the front of the frontal. Like, look how effortless and scalp like that is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off this entire section that you see in my hand, because it's too forward on my forehead. So I'm just gonna move my scissors in a zigzaggedy type of way so it doesn't cut straight off, so it doesn't look like, you know, too blunt. I wanted to make sure that it looks a little bit more natural and mimics my natural hairline. So you see how much better that is. It's not so far down on my forehead. So what I'm gonna do now is create my swoop to the doop. You know how I do. If you don't know, now you know. We like some swoops over here. We like that little bit of extra flair. You don't have to do that as you saw, but if that's a preference for you, go ahead. So what I'm doing to create these swoops is the 𝐏𝐫𝐞 spray. I'm going to show you later on in the video. So what I do is I put a little bit on my fingertip as well, and just put it on the swoop just to make sure that it dries on top of it and it stays in place when it's dry. Then I'm going to get my wax stick, and that's also 𝐏𝐫𝐼N. And I got all these products from my local beauty supply store. I'm sure you can get it on Amazon, or you can check out your local beauty supply store, or you can just Google it to see if there's any stores near you, or if there's a website that can ship to you and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to repeat the same process from the first swoop. So this is what the 𝐏𝐫𝐼N spray looks like. I got a little mini one, you feel me? Because I wasn't so sure how I feel about it. And now, since this is glueless, we're not trying to do too much, okay? But I want that extra security to make sure that the wig doesn't move, so I won't be spraying it directly on the lace. I just put a little bit on my fingertip, dab it on the front of the lace, and then that's it. I just tie it down with this elastic molding thingy-majig that I also got at the beauty supply store, and that is basically just to make sure that, you know, the edges of the lace stay down, basically. So I'm gonna go in with the hot comb, and just to make sure that the hair stays flat. Now I got a natural hump in the back, so I want to make sure that the wig isn't too humpy, make sure that it's nice and neat. And then I'm gonna take this one iron that I got from Amazon, and I'm gonna create some light waves. As you guys can see, like, the waves in this hair is almost permanent, like straight out of the package. It hasn't moved, but I wanted to make sure that it's a little bit more uniform and you know, just put together, make it look a little bit more fresh, but the curls stay, baby. Usually some blonde wigs, they're over processed and they tend to look trashy or you know, just frail. But this blonde wig, baby, like, she is giving, she is full, she is healthy, she is doing the do. I am absolutely in love with it. It's giving me fall feels. It's autumn. It's everything fall, girl. Now, because the lace is a little bit light and I want to take out some of the harshness from it, and because my makeup has a little bit of contour and darkness to it, I'm going to take a little bit of my contouring powder and just darken the lace a little bit, because I feel like it's a little bit too light. So when I take my pictures, I don't want to have a flashback of, you know, the lightness to the lace. And that is basically it for this look. Like, she is giving fall, baby. You listen, tongue-tied all over the place. Y'all already know how I get when I'm excited about a unit. This is one of my faves. This is a staple. I'm not selling this wig. I'm keeping this wig. Like, what? This wig is everything. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @Chev. All the details for this unit will be in the description box down below. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye, guys.
Heavy when we step off. You can't hang with a gang. You a fellow. Yeah, everything check. 𝐿𝐤𝐤𝐿𝐼. Let me